Welcome to the Uber app. Where to? Enter your destination. Then double-check your pickup location. Set a new pickup location by moving the PIN or entering your address. Compare your ride options and prices, then pick the right ride for you by sliding to select your vehicle. UberX is the most popular low-cost ride. Ready? Simply tap Request and you will be paired with the closest available driver. John will pick you up in 2 minutes. He's driving a Toyota Prius. Tap the bottom of the screen for more information, like your driver's licence plate number and his rating. Wow, 4.9 stars. You can call or text your driver by clicking Contact. Your driver is arriving now. Just hop in and go. Enjoy your ride.